Introduce myself. Gentlemen, we thank you for your time. We thank you for your attention to these proceedings. We are members of the Lagos branch of the Nigerian Bar Association Human Rights Committee, and we have been briefed by the family of Eeyan Ramon to watch their brief in this matter. Today, the defendant was arraigned and the charge was read to him. Of course, he pleaded not guilty. His lawyer applied for bail, but the court requested for a case file. Having reviewed the case file, the court saw and found that a prima facie case has been established against the defendant. And in line with the ACJL, the court remanded him for a period of 30 days. So the next court date will be on the 28th day of October 2025, whilst we await DPP's advice. If the DPP's advice comes before 28th October, of course, it will be arraigned before a high court. If the advice does not come before 28th October, it will be brought back here for a possible extension of the remand. So that is the status of the case as of today. So the family can rest assured that the NBA Lagos branch will not leave them behind. The NBA Lagos branch is standing solidly with them, and we are sure that justice will be served in this matter. Thank you very much.
Can we meet your name, sir?
My name is John Utman. I'm with Demilade Douglas.
Sorry?
My name is John Utman. I'm with Demilade Douglas, and we are members of NBA Lagos branch. NBA is Nigerian Bar Association. Thank you very much.
For the purpose of the interview, can we have your full name and destination?
I'm SP Anthony Iyeye. SP Anthony Iyeye. The two IC legal.
Two IC legal.
Panting in Lagos Command.
Okay, sir. Sir, you've taken your suspect to court. Can you tell us what happened within the court? We couldn't get access.
Yeah, we have arraigned him because the case is a capital offense. It's a capital offense, which we have done the arraignment. Since he cannot take plea, so the file is to be duplicated and sent to DPP for legal advice.
So, and is to be remanded where?
As the correctional center.
Which of the correctional center?
Is Ikoyi?
Ikoyi correctional center.
Yes.
They said the case has been adjourned to 29th of
28th
of October 2025.
Yes.
What's next? Or as the police drop their own, drop by?
No.
So what's next?
We are waiting for the DPP's legal advice.
So what about the other suspect that appeared with in the video where he was punching the now they deceased?
Who shot?
The others,
their accomplice.
Those ones, the police are still after those ones. We have only been able to lay hand on this, the one we charged now.
The second case that is supposed to be charged today, are you also involved?
Which one is that?
The ordinary. Are you also involved?
Yeah.
Okay, so have you charged them?
No.
Okay,
it's still on the process.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. One more time.